Hey friend, welcome. I'm so excited to have you here listening to another episode of the Pattern Design Circle podcast. Here we talk all about the ins and outs of designing knit and crochet patterns and running a business that makes it all possible. I'm Jessica, your host, knitting pattern designer, design mentor, and the friend in your ear. Can't wait to dive right in. The Pattern Design Circle podcast is sponsored by the Pattern Design Circle, a membership community for knit and crochet pattern designers that are feeling lost, lonely, or frustrated in their business. It connects you with a supportive community that's always eager to answer your questions and help you through the hard times. And there's loads of resources and activities specifically catered to business and designing. Sound like your jam? Check it out at snickerdoodleknits.com/design-circle. That's snickerdoodle, like the cookie, knits, knits.com/design-circle. All right, let's get into it. Hello, and welcome back to the Pattern Design Circle podcast. I'm so excited to be here chatting with you again. This mini-sode, we are talking about a free workshop that I'm hosting with a fellow knit and crochet pattern designer and design mentor. No, she's a knit designer, not a crochet designer. And we're really excited to bring it to you. So I just wanted to share a little bit of information in case you are interested in joining us. The workshop is all about customer journeys. So if you're not familiar with what a customer journey is, it's this concept that customers are trying to get from one point to another. Basically, customers are human, just like you, just like me. And that's a great thing because that means that we can identify with them, we can understand them, we can understand the path that they're going on. And so it's really helping us to see, all right, this is where they're at. This is where they want to be. This is how I can help them get there. There are several different levels to customer journeys. So there's the buying journey, which is a whole awareness journey of realizing that you have a need and then looking for solutions for that need until you finally purchase to solve that solution. So that's one journey to be aware of. And then we have the journey that like a single product will take them on or help them with. And by product, I mean a pattern. It could be a course or things like that too, if you do things outside of designing, if you have additional revenue streams. But then we have a customer journey of they have this need, this desire, they're looking for a solution. My product, my pattern is the solution. So maybe they're wanting to learn how to design brioche with a simple introductory project that they're going to love in the end, and it's knit in the round. So my simple brioche cowl is going to be a perfect fit for them to help them learn the technique and practice it in a project at the same time. And so that leads them onto that journey of attaining that knowledge, of achieving that thing. And then we have larger journeys, kind of life experience journeys. And so each of those little journeys are like little blips along the whole big life journey. So once you achieve one, like you learn one technique, there's usually more techniques along the way that you're going to want to learn, right? So understanding that customer journey, understanding the progression of techniques can help you guide your customers along that journey. So you can use your marketing, your content, your products, your patterns, your tutorials, all sorts of things to lead them on this journey. And there are different ways that you can approach that, like email funnels that specifically cater to where they're at in that journey. And so this free workshop is talking all about these things. So we'll talk about what a customer journey is, why it's important. We'll give examples of our own customer journeys because something really interesting, I don't think I said did I say who I'm doing this with? This workshop is with Megan of Pip Pin. She's the same person I did the Ideal Customer Workshop with on May 12th. And so this is our next workshop in the series. It's a three-part marketing series of workshops. And so this is, once you know your ideal customer, then we can think about the customer journey. And then once we know about customer journey, our third one is going to be all about social media marketing. So anyway, this is with Megan of Pip Pin. She's a knitting pattern designer, and she also has a program for newer designers called Idea to Pattern that she teaches twice a year, I believe. And that is really leading folks on the whole design journey. But the interesting thing is that her customer journey tends to fall before mine. And so that's part of why it makes it such a great opportunity for us to collaborate together, because we can recommend each other's products to our customers. So I can tell folks, if you're a new designer, yes, I'm teaching an intro to design class this month, but in general, I don't have a robust program for brand new designers. So I tell new designers to go over to Megan, and then once they're done with her class, she tells her folks to come over to my support, Pattern Design Circle, where there's continued support for existing pattern designers who continue to have questions, who need accountability, all of the different things. So we will explain our customer journeys and how they fit into each other. And that's a valuable thing about understanding customer journeys, is not only for your own marketing and your own content and your own products, but also for collaborations. So that is the customer journey workshop. We are hosting it live at 12:30 Eastern time, I believe, on Friday, June 2nd. For the actual details, for sure, I recommend checking the link. It is not created yet, so I don't actually have the link as of the point that I'm recording it. It will be available by the time that I post the recording, but it's a link from Pip Pin. So click the description details of this podcast episode. The link will be in there. It's absolutely free to join, and I believe it's a 60-minute workshop. We can't wait to see you there. It should be really great. I hope that you find it extremely helpful. And again, if you already took the Ideal Customer Workshop, you're already in line to receive the information for Customer Journey Workshop. If you join the Customer Journey Workshop, you will still be in line to receive the information for the Social Media Marketing Workshop. So we're super excited. We can't wait to see you there. Click the link in the description to join us. And I'll catch you on the next episode. Wow, thanks so much for listening to this episode. If you found it valuable, please share the podcast with a designer friend. And if you have a minute, leave a review. It's so helpful for me and means the world to me. Chat soon.